Wow, Kaye here on the homestead. You can really get an idea of how much deer traffic goes across my yard when there's snow on the ground. This is the usual crossing. They also go down here, but looks like they did that and then it snowed some more over that. But that's last night for sure. Oh, I wish I had the sled. Oh man, this is just perfect time to sled. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna walk over there. I'm gonna sit under that archway and take a picture. Here's that little, Daryl said he thought maybe it was like just a wet weather spring under there. Ooh, it's a lot colder in the shade. I won't be out here long. Just gonna go get the mail, stretch my legs a little bit. I've got my short high C boots on with a lot of grip strength. But if I was horsing around in the snow, I would want the taller ones on. That thing should not belong there. Does not belong there. Let's go in here. Check out. Hey everybody. Hey. Oh. This is that Sheffield mum. I didn't cut it back, and I'm really anxious to see if it comes back. And underneath that hay is my orange Thai pepper, and that'll be a miracle if that comes back. Well, it's pretty interesting looking. This right here is the only reason I left all of that dead foliage on there, to see what it looked like in the snow. Somebody said, oh, you should leave it. That's gonna look really pretty in the snow. But I didn't get a picture of it yesterday. Now the snow is melting. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, the sky. Can you imagine if it always looked like that? Look at those nests in the trees. I think that's squirrel, but I'm not sure. There's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. There's another one. It's so interesting. Got a few of them. Got another one there. Oh. Let's go see tigers cross. I haven't been out of the driveway, but other people have. Obviously been down the street. I wonder if it was actually plowed. No, it looks like it's just, people just started driving on it. Looks pretty slick actually. Oh, tiger. Tiger, tiger. let's get the mail. Oh, it's absolutely magical. I'm actually walking up the driveway, folks. Look over there, there's my rock wall. Going up that way. So quiet. Oh. I just don't see how, it was -10 last night. I just don't see how my broccoli made it. All those great ideas you guys gave me, ladies and guys, what to do with my broccoli, and I never did it. Oh boy. When I first came here, I borrowed a trail cam, and it was interesting to see what was walking around. I wouldn't mind having one again. Just never know what these tracks are. That has to be a bird, right? That little zigzaggy thing. Lightweight little zigzags. Oh, look. The animals went into the compost to check out and see what's in the compost bin. And they came out here and went, you know, everything's frozen. Let's skip it. Oh, look at these beautiful raised beds that just got done. It looks like a hot tub, right? With the cover over the hot tub and then the snow. Well, goodness, I hate to even look under here. You know what? I'm not even going to lift that up. Just let it insulate. That was the broccoli, whatever it is. It used to be tall. Here's the other one. And birds were all over it. Birds. More birds. Yep. Oh, I absolutely love it. You know, I lived in Aspen when I was young, and so I went through several winters. And I loved it. Goodness, that's a big footprint. That couldn't be mine, could it? Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Those birds are going crazy. Let's see how close we can get without them running away, flying away. Hi, Spot. Hi, baby. You see, I purposely put the bird feeder in their view because I knew there were going to be a lot of days this winter that I'm just not going to let them go out. Why? What is the point? Okay. Oh, that was the other thing I wanted to show you. So remember I said I was going to get the celery inside? Well, that didn't happen. That didn't happen. It's still under there. You know what? I need a cup of tea. How did this get so turned around? There we go. This is my double-handled snow shovel. So it just makes it a lot easier to dump it, you know. especially for me. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.